layers, my jackets, and then I left my face mask in that jacket, so my face is super cold. And all I have under my main coat is just a lightweight base layer. Good thing I put a heat pack right here. It's keeping me warm, but just heard somebody had 2 shots north of me. I didn't see anything come out, so they probably killed them all, but I don't know. Hopefully something else comes by. Look at this fat ass squirrel. Just chilling. Cold morning. Didn't see anything. Tommy got a doe, and then Yuho shot something, but we have to go check it out. But we haven't taken a look at it yet. But it's a nice day, despite the fact that I lost my jacket, which also had my neck gaiter, so I had nothing to protect my face, so it was pretty cold. By 9 o'clock, it was warm, manageable at that point. But just gonna head back. Yeah, forgot to mention, even though I didn't see anything, it's just grateful to be out, grateful to get another day out, especially grateful to my wife. I told her that I was gonna be done hunting once our tree ended, but that's apparently not the case. So thanks, boo. So what happened today, man?
I shot a doe.
A doe? What happened? What's the story?
Around like 8:30 or sometime. 4 does came in, and one came in like 20 yards, and I shot, and then he ran like 20 yards away.
A doe's a she, man.
She. Yes. And then the 2 other does were like 30 to 40 yards away and in some like thick stuff, but like I didn't want to shoot because not good angles. And they're looking at me. And then the other one just took off after I took 1 shot. That was it.
Good job. Good shit, man. What are we doing, Jesse?
What's up, man? Hopefully we go get this deer that 4 shot. Hopefully it ends. Just get up and run away like everything. Gonna drag a deer. Hopefully it's down. We'll see.
Okay, action.
What am I supposed to do? Oh, dang. I got the spotlight. You're gonna make me nervous. I'm gonna miss this shot if he jumps out. that one went down over there too.
Good shit. Good shit.
I think I dropped one over here. I think I dropped that one over there.
Wow, that was exciting. I feel like I killed them.
Shit, I didn't even see the one behind it.
It could have cut across.
Right here?
Cut across right between us and Tommy.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Chú có bảy tuần nhớ có bảy tuần được có nhớ kiến được tuần được có ha sát thì nó rồi cái rồi nhớ sát đông sát tối khó cái tuổi ấy vậy tôi cũng bỏ tao hồi giờ tôi tích tê rồi con rồi pương thì rồi con sao ở tôi về nó ở tôi kia thì nó sợ chống trở ra ồ vậy à nhưng chống trở sao kéo chặt ồ loại tuần đây cũng tới tuần được có nhớ kiến tới họ này đo có sẽ bây giờ ít phát triển cho kéo sẽ chúng ta chỉ là tuổi vòng cái tuổi to rồi cái tuổi nên to thì có hả anh nào cũng to gì chỉ bỏ thế là trong đi trâu thế à
Yeah, it just disappeared.
yeah
Anh là tiếp cái nó có xài các xài được nó.
anh nào
Ai thì thay bên.
anh nào cũng có tụi nó tay cũng chịu ba tiền trang hay
Có bỏ tụi nó lên cái nó nữa thì có chỉ tôi.
tiền trang mà hay đầu có cá gì cũng mà tiền hay nhớ tội cũng mà chọi tiền có tí chi
Có bỏ tôi tưởng họ tiếc tưởng nữa, có sẽ tôi ra. Chưa tới đó.
I still up and on.
có tí tiền thì nó bỏ ra
Oh, nó này. Bây giờ.
nice yeah man good night
What a shot.
oh man
Oh, that's like an 80-yard shot.
that was kind of far yo I'll be damned if I wanted to shoot him
Good shit, good shit.
oh
Nice, nice.
một thải từ trong rồi
You dropped him right here somewhere, right? So here we go. Damn. I don't man. Yeah. Whew. What a drive. 3 dead deer. Fun stuff, fun stuff.